Hello friends, welcome to the new session of Pharmacognosy. Myself, Miss Malvi Rajendra Vasai, Kikivag Institute of Pharmacy, Nashik. So today we are going to study antirheumatics and drugs used are Google and colchicum. After watching this video, students will be able to learn what is rheumatism, drugs in treatment of rheumatism, and description of Google and colchicum. So, antirheumatics. The drugs which are used in treatment of rheumatism are known as antirheumatics. Now, what is rheumatism? Rheumatism is characterized by increased level of uric acid in blood, recurrent attacks of inflammation of joints due to deposition of monosodium urate crystal in cartilage and tendons. Symptoms of rheumatism are spontaneous pain, often severe but lasting for few days. The pain may be precipitated by injury, accustomed exercise, or application of pressure to region. Now, we'll study the description of first drug, that is Google. Synonym of Google is indium bdellium tree, scented bdellium, gum Google. Biological source, oleogum resin from the bark of Commiphora mucul, family Bureraceae. Geographical source, it is mostly found in India, Arabia, Bangladesh, and Pakistan. In India, it grows in Rajasthan, Hyderabad, Madhya Pradesh, Assam, and Karnataka. Cultivation and collection. 2 to 3 meter trees with a woody spines and branches. Tree grows well in sandy loam with a gypsum content of pH 7.5 to 9. Propagated by both seeds and stem cutting method. Oleogram resin is collected from the at least 5-year plant by making deep circular incision. Each plant yield half to 1 kg of Google. Morphological characters, or you can say organoleptic properties. Okay, resin, it occurs as vermicular, rounded mass or tears. Nearly it is transparent. Most visit when fresh, burns in fire and melts in sun. Color of resin, golden, pale yellow brown or dull brown. Odor is fragrant and balsamic. Taste bitter and aromatic. Solubility, partly soluble in alcohol and in hot ethyl acetate. Chemical constituent, it is classified as oleogum resin. It contains 58% resin that contains steroids. And steroids are glucosterol 1, 2, and 3, and glucosterol Z and glucosterol E. Gum contains pentosan, pentoses, and furfural. Chemical constituent essential oils 15%. It contains 19 components. It includes myrcene, dimyrcene, polymyrcene, caryophyllene. Other constituents are sesamine, lignan derivatives, cholesterol, beta-sitosterol. Foreign impurities are about 4 to 6%. Then uses of Google, it has varieties of activity. It is used in treatment of first osteoarthritis, frozen shoulder, sciatica, atherosclerosis, hemiplegia, infective hepatitis, and dental infection. Significant anti-inflammatory, diuretic. It is also acting as antihypertensive, stomachic, hypocholestemic, hypolipidemic, and antifertility activities also shown by Google. Other uses are astringent, carminatives, expectorant, diaphoretic, prophylaxis in heart attacks and stroke. It is also used in neurological disorder, hay fever, anemia, syphilis, thyroid disorder, antispasmodic. Used in essence stick. Adulterant. It is adulterated with resin of various Commiphora species like Commiphora absinthica, Commiphora roxburghi, Commiphora molmol, and Boswellia serrata. Then second drug which comes in this category is colchicum. Synonym is meadow saffron seed, wild saffron, Artem crocus. Biological source, Dried ripe seeds and comes of Colchicum autumnale and Colchicum luteum. Family Liliaceae. Geographical source many European countries. In India, it is found in West Himalayas and Kashmir region. Cultivation, collection, and preparation of colchicum. Repeat life cycle with the comb, which is present as a swollen underground stem. Towards the end of summer, the fully grown comb develops the daughter comb in exile of scale leaves. The daughter comb develops parasitically on the parent comb. The parent combs wither and daughter combs develop into the new plant. Then collection and preparation in Europe and Jammu Kashmir it is propagated by seed. Sowing of seed at the altitude of 1000 to 3000 meter. Seedling transplanted to open or wild at distance of 1 meter. Plant bare capsule fruit. These fruits are collected before dehiscence and dark seeds are separated, processed and graded. Combs are isolated. Then these combs are sliced, transversely and dried below 65 degrees Celsius. Seeds size is 2 to 3 mm in diameter. Taste is bitter and acrid. It doesn't have any odor, so no odor. Very hard and have reddish brown testa. Have a projection at a hilum and develop to strophiole, that is outgrowth of testa. Size of comb is 2 to 3 centimeter diameter. Shape is reniform and ovate with a short fracture. Taste is bitter. It has no odor. Chemical constituent contains amino alkaloids, colchicine, colchicinin, dimocolcine, and colchicine. Alkaloid contains tropulone and cycloheptadine olone ring structure. Seed contains 0.8% colchicine and combs contain 0.6% colchicine. On exposure to UV light, colchicine changes to lumicolchicine. Chemical test drug with 60 to 70% H2SO4 or HCl. It shows yellow color which resembles the presence of colchicine. Second test is alcoholic solution of colchicine with ferric chloride FeCl3. It gives red color. Uses specifically used in treatment of gout and rheumatism. Dimocolcine is effective against epidermal cancer and myeloid leukemia. Colchicine also used in induced polyploidy. It is used in horticulture and cultivation of medical plant. So, what we learn about this? We learned antirheumatic plant colchicum as well as Google. The important constituent of colchicum is amino acids, alkaloid colchicine, and important constituent of Google is steroid, that is Google sterol. And frequently asked questions on this topic are define antirheumatics, mention the botanical source of two drugs, or write the botanical source and macroscopy of Google, write the chemical constituent uses of Google, then morphology of colchicum, chemical constituent use of colchicum, write the botanical source and use of colchicum. Thank you, friends. Thank you for your patience listening. Thank you very much.